In the second year, on the 20th day of the second month, the cloud rose from the tabernacle of the covenant, and the Israelites moved on from the wilderness of Sinai by stages, until the cloud came to rest in the wilderness of Paran. The first time that they broke camp at the direction of the Lord through Moses, the divisional camp of the Judahites, arranged in companies, was the first to set out. Over its whole company was Nahshon, son of Amminadab, with Nethanel, son of Zuar. Company of the tribe of Issacharites, and Eliab son of Helon over the company of the tribe of Zebulunites. Then after the tabernacle was dismantled, the Gershonites and Merarites who carried the tabernacle set out. The divisional camp of the Reubenites, arranged in companies, was the next to set out. Over its whole company was Eliezer, son of Shidor, with Shelumiel, son of Zurishaddai, over the company of the tribe of Simeonites, and Elisaph, son of Reuel, over the company of the tribe of Gadites. The Kohathites, who carried the sacred objects, then set out. Before their arrival, the tabernacle would be erected. The divisional camp of the Ephraimites set out next, arranged in companies. Over its whole company was Elisama, son of Ammihud, with Gamaliel, son of Pedazur, over the company of the tribe of Manassites, and Obadon, son of Gideoni, over the company of the tribe of Benjaminites. Finally, as rearguard for all the camps, the divisional camp of the Danites set out, arranged in companies. Over its whole company was Ahiezer, son of Ammishaddai, with Pagil, son of Ochra, over the company of the tribe of Asherites, and Ahira, son of Enan, over the company of the tribe of Naphtalites. This was the order of march for the Israelites, company by company, when they set out.